Another day, another adventure. The truck and bus driver, driving for Easy Task on behalf of skilled drivers. Here I am, ladies and gents, on a building site, doing some deliveries. As sometimes I mention what I'm in for. So yeah, look at the state of the ground that I've had to do the maneuvers on. So it's the truck and bus driver on a construction site, and the lift is about to begin. Okay, dog. No response. Yes, so there you go. The lift is about to begin. Fun stuff. Anyway, it's the truck and bus driver, ladies and gents. On a construction site, these guys are about to lift off some stuff. So this is quite an interesting job, as you can see. The state of my boots, and the state of my curb. You see the state of it. Look at the floor. That's what it does. To get the, look how murky it is. Look at the front tire. All of that was submerged under the thing. The mud bit. So yeah, really muddy stuff. So came in from the top there with the boys, and then had to go that way, then had to reverse straight. So now I have to drive from this position, take a sharp right turn, go back up the way the boy is going up that way. So I'll just show you with just one lift, and then I can jump back in the truck and see what's happening. By right, I actually need to be on this side. On the other side, I should not be in the middle of there. So I might as well just take my position. There you go. So these are timber kit homes. The ones that are being built here, all these are timber kit. So I'm bringing in what's called the floor cassettes. So those are the ones that I've got there, the floor cassettes. Yeah, where, Paul? Oh, I'm alright, how are you? Enjoying. I think one bit is stuck there. No, can't get involved. I've got to leave the guy to do his job. That's the one at the very end there. That strap. There you go. Just gonna loosen it off. There you go. Bring it down. Just a wee touch. There you go. Freed from, yeah, there you go. That's it. Freed from the position there that it was in. So the boys are adjusting the straps to make sure that that's a bit of a shine. There you go. That's it. He's got it. So that's him giving signal. It's all happening, ladies and gents. He's gonna lift the first lot. So it's 3 lifts, four lifts in total. So the very top lift, the one that's gonna go off, and the one at the very rear, the one in the middle, and then the last and final is the one at the front, the headboard of the trailer there. So that's why it's gonna be, lifting is gonna be 4 stages. The lift is not gonna be all just one, but 4 different stages of the lift. Excuse the noise in the background. I'm in a building site. It's a construction, so new homes being built here, as you see it for yourself. Some of the materials there, so those are the face bricks and stuff like that. You know, the type 1, the quarry stuff is at the back there, and the roof trusses. So yeah, and cavity insulations there. Yeah, it is happening. Almost missed up it. There you go. That's the lift going on, ladies and gents. There you go. Off it goes. There you go. That's a skill and a half there. That's a skill and a half. That's him signaling to the crane driver to lower the load. Anyway, ladies and gents, you've seen what's happening. It's the truck and bus driver driving for Easy Task on behalf of skilled drivers. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Until next time, thank you.